Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price change occurs in a XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour. What's the price changes, what's the high price of XRP Ripple coin, what's the current price of XRP Ripple coin in a market. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button now and support me, because I need your support. If you support me, I will give you a lot of videos, I will give you a lot of update from which you can easily make money from the cryptocurrencies. Now let's see what changes occur in XRP Ripple coin. Now let's see, first of all we look the last 1 hour result of XRP Ripple coin in the market. After that we look the last 2 hour result of the XRP Ripple coin in the market. Now it's loading. Kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. After this video, please share your opinion in the comment box. As you can see now, that is the 2 hour result of XRP Ripple coin in a market, as you can see here. If we look the chart analysis of XRP Ripple coin, so the chart tells us that they fast down, fast down, fast down, and after falling they take a jump, fast down, take a jump. So if we look the average level of XRP Ripple coin, so the average level is about is this, and now the currently level of XRP Ripple coin is about is this. Now the changes is clear now for all of you. As you can see here, the changes is about that. So it's absolutely fast down in the previous 2 hour. So the changes is also in negative 0.4% occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is about $0.566871 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the market. Now after that we looked at last 1 hour result of XRP Ripple coin. Last 1 hour result, oh my god, as you can see here, the change is in positive, but the reality of XRP Ripple coin as a negative, as we see in the last 2 hour result. In the last 2 hour result, they fast down. So the averagely they fast down, but now the currently last 1 hour result of XRP Ripple coin is going upward. So it's a falling time of XRP Ripple coin. If we know the last 2 hour result of XRP Ripple coin, and if we see the last 1 hour result of XRP, so though they are going up. But as you can see here, the change is in positive of last 1 hour, and the changes of 2 hour is in negative. So the currently changes of XRP Ripple coin in the market as approx of a positive 0.68% in the market at this time, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is about $0.565046 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the market. So hope maybe they are going upward, maybe they are going fast down. So my suggestion at this time to sell it. My suggestion is to sell it, because they are falling down, and the last 2 hour they fast down. Same like that, they fast down every hour, and take a little jump. Fast down more and take a little jump every hour. So averagely they fall down. So my suggestion is to sell it. What's your suggestion? Please in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.